housekeeping. Good morning, housekeeping.
Open the door, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good morning, housekeeping. Good morning, Mr. Sam. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm fine.
My name is Frankie. I was room boy here. May I make up your room, please?
I'm so sorry, Mr. Frankie. Can you clean up my room later?
Sure, Mr. Sam. So maybe around what time that should I come back?
Maybe you can come back at 2 p.m. because so lot of job now, so I have to finish it.
Sure. I will back at 2 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay. Well, Mr. Sam, if you need some assistance, just don't be hesitant to contact us. Just dial number 0 from your room.
Okay, thank you.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.